All right, it's Greg on Tesla. So we're doing the wall charger. We have the back plate fully installed. We got the wires in. They are firmly secured in there. You cannot get those out. These cables are the ones that come with the unit, and they are firmly and secured in there as well. I didn't have to adjust those. In fact, let me just double check. Those come factory done, so they are nice and tight. What I'm gonna do next is now we have to get this not just mounted to this back plate, but those cables that come on the back plate unit itself have to go into this unit and get connected in here. So there's the ground and the two master cables, but in this case are red and black. What I have to do is I have to take this front panel off. There's another plate behind this, which actually it's hard to tell, but it's where the LEDs are in this plate that's right behind the silver one. And then there's another half plate that sits on top, which truth is you really don't have to take that off, but if you want to, I guess you could. So I'm going to oh, that's such a cool sound. Wonderful static. It will stick to anything now. I'm gonna take this off. There are, let's see, I don't see any of the screws on the back of this one yet. Oh, so I don't have to take that off. Okay, so, oh, there's a security screw on the bottom. I don't see one on the top. So let me undo that, and then this top plastic piece, it literally snaps off. There's not a whole lot to it. And then we'll take the other one off, which has a couple screws in it. So let me do that and I'll show you. All right, so I took that special screw out. You have to use the special key that comes in that bag. I already had one. And you know what that bin that had that back plate in is really good for? Keeping track of that screw. So, okay, so now I am probably not going to be able to do this one-handed. So let's see if I can without breaking it. It's got a little crook on it. So let me do that real quick. I'm going to pop it off and then I'll explain how I did it. And let's see how that works. All right. So you have to, this is definitely a two-handed operation. You have to use a standard screwdriver. What you do, you just get the screwdriver right under the edge here. Boom. You see a little notch there. Here, I'm gonna take this off. So it pops, what happens is it pops right off. I got a screw kind of near the base. Boom, boom, and you'll feel this one come off. You'll feel this one come off. Or this one, there's one at the edge, one in the middle. I guess there's one down here, up here. I guess these two. Anyway, as soon as I did that one, and I did that one, and then I came back over here, the whole thing just pop, and then boom, the whole thing pops right off. So easy peasy. So now you can see on the top here, this is where the LEDs are. There's a ribbon cable in the control unit itself that attaches to this plate on the back side, and it will, without it, you don't get any LEDs. So you have to take these screws off. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna take those off, and then let's see what it looks like on the inside. All right, so we're back. So I have unscrewed all these. It should just lift right off. I'm assuming I actually unscrewed them all. Should have tried that before I started up the video again. Okay. All right, I think that's it. Okay, so, oh, voila, brand new, excellent. I am going to put this right here. In fact, I'm just gonna lay that right there. So the screws are still in there. So, Now, what also happens is this entire wall, notice there's a screw here, these brass screws. There's 2 on the sides, and there's 2 more over here. Guess what? Guess what's on that wall panel? 2 big screws, 2 big screws. So not only do I need to get this mounted to the wall, and I can do it as is, right? Not only do I have to get it mounted to the wall, but I have to finagle these cables up through the bottom of this. And remember we got this bag of caps? The reason we got the bag of caps is because on the back side of this, there's a few holes open. And, you know, if you have this thing mounted outside, there's one on the bottom. So bottom line is wherever those wires come in, they're gonna come in one of those holes. If you have it mounted outside, you don't want, you know, spiders and critters and things getting in here, getting zapped and screwing up your equipment. And you also don't want water and condensation getting in there either. There is a bead, the seal right here, which is a water protectant seal. So as long as this is on your unit when you put this plate back on, and as long as you have those caps on the backside and all that when you put it in, then wonderful, that's what you need. But do not go mounting this without making sure you don't like go securing this to the wall and not recognizing that you have a couple of these still wide open. All right. So I'm gonna get this up there, and as soon as I get it up and at least I screw into it, I can show you what it looks like mounted on the wall.